Welcome to Hire and Thrive, the podcast brought to you by MindX Jobs. We are dedicated to helping businesses and tech talent connect, grow, and thrive. In each episode, we will bring you the latest insights, tips, and best practices on hiring, managing, and retaining the best tech talent in today's competitive market. Agile hiring practices have been gaining popularity in recent years as a way to make the hiring process more efficient, flexible, and responsive to changing business needs. Today's episode, Agile Hiring Practices, How to Hire the Right Talent Quickly and Efficiently, will focus on the practice of agile hiring so that managers could build a more responsive and effective recruitment process and adapt to changing market demands. One of the key principles of agile hiring is to prioritize collaboration and communication between recruiters, hiring managers, and other stakeholders. This means that everyone is aligned on the hiring needs and criteria, and that feedback is constantly shared and incorporated into the hiring process. Collaboration also involves the use of cross-functional teams, where recruiters work closely with other departments, such as marketing or product development, to ensure a well-rounded approach to recruitment. By prioritizing collaboration and communication, businesses can ensure that the hiring process is aligned with their business objectives and can quickly respond to changing market demands. For example, if a business is launching a new product or service, the recruitment team can work closely with the product development team to identify the hiring needs and criteria that will be needed to support the launch. Another important aspect of agile hiring is the use of data-driven decision-making. This involves gathering and analyzing data from various sources, such as candidate assessments, hiring metrics, and feedback from stakeholders. By using data to inform hiring decisions, businesses can make more informed and objective decisions that are aligned with their business objectives. Data-driven decision-making can also help businesses to identify areas for improvement in their recruitment process. For example, by analyzing hiring metrics such as time to hire and candidate conversion rates, businesses can identify bottlenecks in the hiring process and take steps to address them. Agile hiring also emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement. This involves regularly evaluating the hiring process and identifying areas for improvement. This can include incorporating feedback from candidates and hiring managers, measuring the effectiveness of different recruitment channels, and experimenting with new technologies and strategies. Continuous improvement can help businesses to build a more effective and efficient recruitment process that is aligned with their business objectives. For example, if a business is struggling to attract top talent through traditional recruitment channels, they may experiment with new channels such as social media or employee referrals. Overall, adopting agile hiring practices can help businesses build a more responsive and effective recruitment process that can quickly adapt to changing business needs. By prioritizing collaboration, data-driven decision-making, and continuous improvement, businesses can build a stronger and more diverse workforce that is aligned with their business objectives. One example of a company that has successfully adopted agile hiring practices is Spotify. Spotify's recruitment team uses cross-functional teams and data-driven decision-making to ensure that the hiring process is aligned with the company's business objectives. For example, they use data to measure the effectiveness of different recruitment channels and adjust their strategy accordingly. Spotify also emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement in their recruitment process. They regularly collect feedback from candidates and hiring managers and use this feedback to identify areas for improvement. This has allowed them to build a more effective and efficient recruitment process that is aligned with their business objectives. Another example of a company that has successfully adopted agile hiring practices is HubSpot. HubSpot's recruitment team uses cross-functional teams to ensure that the hiring process is aligned with the company's business objectives. They also use data-driven decision-making to measure the effectiveness of different recruitment channels and adjust their strategy accordingly. HubSpot also emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement in their recruitment process. They regularly collect feedback from candidates and hiring managers and use this feedback to identify areas for improvement. This has allowed them to build a more effective and efficient recruitment process that is aligned with their business objectives. Agile hiring practices are an effective way for businesses to build a more responsive and effective recruitment process that can quickly adapt to changing business needs. By prioritizing collaboration, data-driven. Thank you for listening to our podcast, and we look forward to helping you build a successful tech team with the power of AI. Don't forget to follow our channels MindX Jobs on LinkedIn, Facebook for more updates.